I told you you shouldn't be drinking.
Show your camera here.
How much money you have saved?
My boss is not
Well, how about last week?
about last week.
How much?
I'd say 600.
600. And this week, not yet?
Straight at it.
All right.
I told you.
I'll let you back to your party.
My friend.
Hello, everybody.
Hello mga kapatid. Mainit.
Yeah, it's hot again today.
Yeah.
So we got some diapers, baby powder, noodles, some rice,
Baby wipes.
baby wipes, along with some rice and some pancit and some more canned food.
Yeah.
We're going to go visit the young couple with the baby today. See how they're doing. And update them on the revenue that so far has been earned on their previous video. All right, so we've located them.
Yeah.
Or the wife and the little baby. How are you today? Oh, big smile. Yeah. Oh.
Oh, there's a sound.
Yeah, sounds this time. Yes.
Kumusta?
Okay lang.
Oh. We brought you some of this baby powder. Keep you dry.
Yeah.
And some diapers. So, how are things?
Kumusta?
Okay lang.
Okay.
Nasaan si Reden?
He's drinking.
Oh no. I let him know not to drink.
Yeah. That's his hobby.
It's hard to help somebody get off the street if they're going to continue to drink. You know how much money he has saved?
Wala pa po siyang sahod.
Wala.
Wala pang sahod.
Mamaya
Mamaya pa.
pa po daw. Kasi binalikan niya yung boss niya daw po dun. Wala pa daw po. Mamaya pa daw.
Well, that's not very good news.
Yeah. So, hindi makakausap ngayon kasi umiinom na. Okay.
Shouldn't tell him what to do, but man, you got a wife and baby living on the sidewalk.
But you can tell him to stop drinking.
I don't know what to do, you guys.
He should.
All right, guys. I could use your help. Comment down below. Give me some suggestions on what we should do with this situation. Nothing wrong with drinking if you have the money and not hurting anybody. But when you got a wife and daughter on the street, young baby, I'm stumped on this one. I don't know what to do. Lila, go ahead.
Oh. Paano
Lila.
Paano matutulungan kung...
No, wait a minute. We got to adjust Lila's mic because she's whispering.
Paano matutulungan kung priority na alak? Dapat ang priority na sa baby. Ano, bebe? Malaki ka na.
Yeah, you want to say something?
Say something.
Well,
Buti nga po sa awa ng Diyos, may trabaho na rin ako eh.
Oh? Trabaho ka na? Anong trabaho mo?
Ano lang po, tiga-tupi ng...
Sa laundry? Oh. Paano si baby?
Yung kapatid ko po,
Ah.
yung little sister.
Oh.
Nandiyan, ayun.
Yan.
Ayun po
Yun,
na,
oh.
nakakulay pula.
Kumusta kayo nung malakas ang ulan kagabi, no?
Ay, ako po hindi nakatulog.
Oo. Diyan ka natutulog sa gilid?
Lean forward so the camera can see it.
Doon sa may, sa kapit mo?
Opo.
Ay, no, wala na kayong, patungan na simento.
Ayun po, meron po, may faulting bed. Ayun po.
Malakas ang ulan. Kagabi, kahit nasa loob kami, umaanggi sa
Is that where they're sleeping right
Yeah.
there now?
Yes.
Wait. So this right here is where the baby is sleeping at night. So I don't know. All right, so that's where they're sleeping at night. I feel sad for the baby and you.
But she has work now. She's folding the clothes in the laundry.
Yeah. So have you saved any money then? You have? Where's your mic light?
It's the woman who can save money.
So you were saying she works in the laundry now.
Yeah.
A good salary or
Ano, 300.
A
per
day.
day? 300 a day, that's
Yeah.
better than no money per day.
Yes. Ano, baby? Baby? Pag lumaki ka, sabi mo sa papa mo, no drinking. Yeah. No drink until we have the house.
Yes, really.
Yeah.
I mean, if somebody is buying and it's free
Yeah.
and it's after work, okay, but to spend your money on it, and I know we came the one time and he utang a whole case of Red Horse, and then you get your salary, he pays utang no more.
Yeah. Kawawa si baby. Ano, baby? Baby?
Oh, I don't know what to do about this. You know, so far your other video, it's almost to 1,000 pesos right now,
Yeah.
revenue, and I was really hoping that would help with his savings from his job to get you into into a room, something to rent.
Yeah.
But he just keeps drinking he drinks his salary,
Ano?
and the baby's on the
Sabihin mo
street.
siya, kunin mo yung 1,000 sa kanya. Ano? Hindi ka makasagot, hindi niya bibigyan, no?
And there's still
Hindi naman po.
and there's still 2 more weeks of this month,
Yeah.
and it's supposed to be the whole revenue of this month.
Yeah. Pag nasweldo namin yon, bibigyan namin sa inyo. Pero, pag hindi pa siya nakaipon, ibibili na lang ang diapers ni baby. Ano, baby? Ikaw na lang, magdadiaper ka na lang. Na?
So this is where the baby sleeps at night with the mother and the father.
Hello! Oh, nakita mo mukha mo. Nakita mo. Dito.
Yeah. Ah.
Let's her lap.
Okay. Yep. Anything else to add?
We'll just
All I can do now is pray for this young baby. May God have mercy. I cannot do any more. I've done all I can. We pray, we pray, we pray.